In the late 80s and early 90s, Honda Civics used cables to activate the clutch. If you're going to put in a mid-2000s engine swap, you need to change that for a hydraulic setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so the Hush Performance EF V3 cable to hydro conversion. Let's do this. So I purchased the Hush Performance cable to hydro conversion. It comes with a mounting plate that mounts to the original pedals. The kit I bought comes with the lines and all the bolts. I am using the stock cylinder and I'm using the stock filler. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the stock cylinder and filler and attach it to the bracket. This bolt's in the way. So alright, so I've instantly found a fucking problem here. See how far it goes through the bulkhead? There's no way that's going to bolt all the way down. So with the stock bolts being way too long, basically I removed them and put in smaller bolts. Okay, bolt the master to the conversion bracket using some bolts and nuts, which whatever. Bolt the foot on using that's what I'm guessing the foot is. Then you'll need to drill a 5/16 hole in the center of the clutch pedal, just under the clutch cable hook. You're basically going to drill a hole here so that the clutch assembly can attach to the clutch pedal. So I'm just loosening the end of the clutch slave here that attaches to the pedal so that I can manipulate it easier. So I'm guessing I have to drill a hole like here, then that'll go through. Unfortunately, the lines for this kit didn't actually seem to work at all. The two pieces were supposed to be a fitting that goes through the bulkhead and makes it nice and secure, but they sent all the wrong fittings. So it's got a banjo, but that's not the kind of fitting I need. I need another one of these. So I've got a feeling. So this is going to go through the firewall, and this end's going to go to this. So I am short a piece because I need the piece that goes in there, which I'm guessing is the same as this piece. Yeah, so I need another one of these. What we could probably do is try and find a piece like this, but maybe, so instead of it just going straight down, it come out and go U or to the left. So I'm going to take this and this piece and see what I can do. Alright, so we have the brace attached. It looks fairly level to me. I found this piece here, which was missing, but is now fit and adjusted down here, just ready to go back into the car. So we have the Hush Performance clutch conversion kit mounted, but considering they put a ton of R&D into this, I don't know what they were thinking, because this is the fitting that goes in the clutch master there, and when it's in, you can probably see there is no space to attach the cable. So I don't know whether it's the master that I'm using or what, but basically a bit of fabrication is going to be needed. So I'm thinking I'm going to make a little bit of brake line, flare it, and then attach the line that they give me, but we'll see what happens. Alright, looks like the clutch is fully in. Got the cable here, some cable management's needed. Goes through the firewall, and if you can see in there, there's the hard line that I made, and it fits in quite nicely. So got to bleed it, make sure it works, and then we'll go from there.
So my general thoughts on the Hush Performance cable clutch to hydro clutch conversion is it's not that good. But unfortunately there's nothing else out there on the market. So you got to buy it and adapt it to your build. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It's a pleasure having you here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I'll see you later.